Hello and welcome again. In this episode, I'm going to show you another web application that I created using free ChatGPT version, and this is called WSTBRD, which is digital whiteboard, which is completely made in pure HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So you don't need a backend hosting to host this application. You can host on Netlify or on Vercel or on Cloudflare. So if you come across on the web, you have something called similar Excalidraw. This is open source. Okay, this is open source. You see, this is the plugin that I have used in this project. You can go to package.json, and as you can see here, so this is the same uh, plugin, but what interesting is this is the free version of Excali, and yeah, but what I have is something called layers, which you see on Figma. So whatever you just, let's say you type text, as you can see, this is the another layer. For example, if I type in Urdu, as you can see, this is another text. And let's say if I make a circle, this is another text. So this is how it works. So if you click on, you'll navigate this object. Okay, specifically, for example, let's say you have one text here and another, let's say, semicircle here, and you want to go back. So for that, you will keep zooming and zoom out. So for that, to solve this, I have created this drawer, and if you click on specific element, you will go to that element. For example, if I click on circle, it will highlight this. If I click on image, you can see circle. So this is very useful, and I have added also something called Arabic Urdu, and which is Devanagari, means Hindi, and a lot of features. And specifically, I have added my own extension, which is dot whiteboard, WSTBRD. So this is the whole project, and you can also clear it from here. It's gone, and you can add page, and you can name it whatever you want. Also, you can even edit it whatever you want. So this is, and this is the total view 18. If I refresh again, you can see 19. And not only that, you can record your screen from here, entire screen, or on window. So yeah, this is also very helpful. So this is the whole application. We have something called frame, which you see on Figma, and we have called double quotes, thing like that, and you can also lock. And not only that, we have also called palm, which you can drag and drop. And this is the mouse default that we have. So, and this is called arrow, and this is called, yeah. So this is the whole project, and you can zoom out and zoom in from here. This is the whole project, and you can export also as PDF, HTML, or as text. So yeah, this is the project that I have created, and if you want, I can make this uh, public, this repo. Right now we have ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, which we get the services at very cheap, like $10, $15, $20 per month. But as time grow, they will increase their subscription, because right now all of them are chasing the AI industry. That's why we have a lot of tools and a lot of things are going on in AI industry. That's why we have a chip which we can afford. But as go time pass, sure we will have something that a normal people can't access features like just we are having in even in free mode. So things will change, the price will change, it's just a matter of time. So enjoy. At that point your computer science and IT skills will be very helpful. So never skip computer fundamentals and IT fundamentals, because no matter whatever the AI technology comes, always the expertise subjects matter. Always the expertise subjects matter. No, for example, I code, okay, but I do have a knowledge of accounting, some kinds of electrician work and all those things. But as per my expertise, as per my subject, that's not my subject. My subject is the background of computer science and IT. So the subject expertise will matter, and it will be in long term. So never ever think that AI will take all our jobs and the AI machine will rule over the world. That is not going to happen. The subject expertise always matter, because same person can't do a multiple things at the same time to get the things works done in a perfect manner or in a good way. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel and we will have a lot of more projects and ideas that you can build on your own, even in the case that you don't have to rely on subscriptions, so you can run on your own local machines, even if you just know the basics of computer science and coding. That's it for today, and we will see you in the next video.